Hi, welcome to the Nurse Intelligence Podcast, where we show you how AI can impact your lives. So today we will talk about unlocking AI's potential from research to content and even monetization for all you content creators out there. Uh, a lot of nurses are into content creation, your Instagrams. So we will look at the perspective of a manager and how it can empower you to innovate, communicate, and even profit with AI. We'll give you that idea. So what can you create? What kind of content you can create? Education materials, visual presentations, PowerPoint presentations, and even digital assets like ebooks, like PDFs, things like that. And I think it's just best to show you how. But let's go over the content. Starting from the idea, you can use AI to brainstorm and identify relevant topics. You can use it to assist you in research, and it can create a draft so that using AI powered writing assistance. Okay, so let's get right into it.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Yes, I'm here to demonstrate about the power of AI. Could you help me with that?
Of course. What specific aspects of AI would you like to focus on?
F- uh,
We
f-
can
yeah, first let me give you a name. Can I call you Florence after Florence Nightingale?
Sure, you can call me Florence. What
Oh,
would you like to explore about the power of AI?
so I want you to act like a cardiac nurse practitioner, and could you create a care plan, especially focusing on the dietary recommendations you can do?
Certainly. As a cardiac nurse practitioner, a care plan focusing on dietary recommendations would emphasize heart-healthy foods. Here are some key elements. Increase fruits and vegetables. Aim for a variety of colors and types to ensure a wide range of nutrients. 2. Limit sodium. Reduce salt intake to help manage blood pressure. 3. Choose whole grains. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. 4. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. 5. Lean proteins. Choose lean meats, fish, and plant-based proteins. 6. Limit sugary foods and beverages. Reduce consumption of sweets and sugary drinks. Would you like more detailed recommendations or any specific guidance?
Doesn't sound like a very tasty food. Are there any tips you can make it more tasty?
Absolutely. Making heart-healthy food tasty is all about using the right herbs, spices, and cooking techniques. Here are some tips. 1. Herbs and spices. Use fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, parsley, or spices like turmeric, cumin, and paprika to add flavor without extra sodium. 2. Citrus and vinegars. Add a splash of lemon, lime, or vinegar to brighten up the flavors. 3. Roasting and grilling. These cooking methods can enhance the natural flavors of foods, giving them a delicious smoky taste.
Okay,
4.
okay, thank you. I just want to cut you short, but could you just wrap it up, send it to me in written form, and I will take it from there. But thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll summarize everything and send it to you. If you need any more help, just let me know. Have
Okay,
a great day.
you too.
Take care.
So yes, that was ChatGPT. As you can see, you can just talk to it, and here's the conversation we had with ChatGPT, and as you can see. Uh, uh, I was able to cut in at any time, and but it remembers all the things that we discussed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let ChatGPT summarize it because it's important that you give some context and a role it's going to play because that's how it's going to answer you. So act as a patient nurse educator and summarize the things we talked about. So you can see how fast it's making it. And let's say the reading level is we want to make it basic. In this case, we want to make it not kindergarten school, but let's say middle school. Yeah. So it's much longer, but the thing is, yes, it's making it uh, easy to digest. There, it expanded 75% longer, as you can see here in this way. So so you can have a chance to edit it if you want. And but let's just take that. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. And okay, so from ChatGPT, what we did was just we uh, copied and pasted here in, into this thing that will make the it can make it into a website, it can make it a PDF or ebook, it can make it into a slide presentation. And pick a theme. Let's say I choose, as you can see, these are all the themes that we can pick on. Uh, I want something maybe colorful for them, something maybe in the light side, something green or inviting as this one. So then press generate. And I want you to look at the how fast it will create this. And it's within less than a minute. Yeah. So it's creating the document, and it's creating uh, the graphics, everything about it. So yeah. So we chose a general topic. So uh, I don't have to really edit it so much. Yeah. And as you can see, it incorporated some of the things we talked about. So there, it's done. There, as you can see, in less than a minute, we already have. And then you can add it. You can add. Yeah. So in this case, I wanted to personalize it, put my brand on it. So I just put here Robert's Easy Tips for Heart Healthy Eating. And as you can see, I can convert it to a site, or I can, if I have my own site, which I do, uh, I can put it there. But in this case, I'm going to create it into its own site. So as you can see, it already created it, and I can change the name, the domain. So that's going to be that, and then let's say I'm just going to put here, call it easy eating tips. Name has been added, and there is no limit to how many domains, how many websites you create. Uh, that's the beauty about this. So you can explode your reach, and you can explode your uh, thought leadership across the internet. Yeah. So here's the site already. Say, you just give them the link. It's easy to find, and then as you can see, here it is. Uh, Here is the site, and this can be viewed uh, at any at their desktop. They can view it in their iPhone, their phone, their smartphone, and they can print it if they want. And as you can see, these are all the things. Yeah, and you can add elements to that. So okay, so once you've created that content, that ebook, that uh, knowledge resource, uh, what can you do with it? One thing is that if you want to be a thought leader, let's say you have got your own social media and you'd like to have a coaching or teaching program, you can do that, and you can. This is just one example of what you can do. So whatever ideas you can do, you can start by selling a blog. You know, you can sell a book. You can create a book of what you did. You can sell anything, your top 10 lists, your other tips, your things like that. So uh, here's an example of some people who have uh, monetized some of their ideas. As you can see, there are things you can sell: audio, uh, business, design, graphic novels, things like that. Uh, Courses. Here we put in a new product. You can have a membership. You can have a course, a tutorial, an ebook that you're going to give, uh, or you can provide commissions or scheduled calls for your patients here, or even just coffee. They can give you coffee money, and I'm going to give a price. Let's just say it's $4.99, a little less than $5. So if you want to learn more, just join the Nurse Intelligence Network, and we will teach you step by step. But more importantly, if you join before December 31st, before this year ends, you can join the Earn with AI program, where just you will be one of the founding members, and so um, you can earn from our joint projects, and you can earn more if you create the content yourself. So so check it out. Yeah. So here we are. Let's end this by with some music. So in this case, uh, what? Let's give it an idea. Let's give it a song description. So anyone would like to put it in the chat. Okay. uh, he says nurses dancing with elves, Santa's elves. What kind of music? Reggae. Okay, reggae style. So you can do anything. So reggae style. Yeah. Uh, would you like a male? Let's say, okay, yeah, male voice. Uh, yeah. So you can sit then create ideas. Here we are, and in a few seconds, it's gonna have it. It's right down here, as you can see. It usually creates two. Already it's done one. So let's listen, and we are going to end with that. So again, join the Nurse Intelligence Network. You have up to uh, the end of this month to join for free. And if you are a content creator, yes, you can join for free, and you can join this community where we will help each other. You will get AI certification. Much more important, not only learn but earn with AI also. So here it is, dancing.
Nurses shuffling feet in holiday glow. Santa's elves joining in the flow. Lights twinkle, twinkle in the merry road. Jingle bells and reggae beats in tow. Feel the joy, feel the cheer. Santa's elves dancing near. Nurses groove, spirits here. Warm, fat magic, all clear. Candy canes sway like never before.
Santa's elves dancing near. Nurses brew, spirits here. Warmth and magic, all clear. Candy cane
Okay, let's listen to the second one.
oh,
Ooh.
Nurses shuffling feet in holiday glow. Santa's elves joining in the flow. Lights twinkle, twinkle in a merry row. Jingle bells and reggae beats in tow. Feel the joy